Division word problems, interpreting remainders. Read the following word problems, answer the questions, and use your cube strategies to solve the word problems. Make sure you circle what you did to the remainder. Did you round it, ignore it, or focus on it? So slide 2 is an example. I'm going to put this video down at the bottom so that you can kind of see what I mean by this. So I'm going to read the question first. Susan and Brianna baked 274 cupcakes. They brought the cupcakes to school for their friends in a cupcake tray. If each tray holds 4 cupcakes, how many cupcake trays will they need to bring all the cupcakes to school? So I'm going to be working and doing my cube strategies. So I know that they baked 274 cupcakes. I know that each tray holds 4 cupcakes. How many cupcake trays will they need to bring all the cupcakes to school? So I circled my number. Now I need to underline my question. How many cupcake trays will they need to bring all the cupcakes to school? Now I need to box in some important words. So one of the big important words here is each. And because we have our total, I'm going to be dividing. And I also need to know I need to be able to bring all of the cupcakes to school. So I can't leave any out. Okay? So what operation we'll be using and how will we know? So I'm going to type in my box, division, because we are splitting the cupcakes into trays. And I'm going to go on ahead and make my text a little smaller instead of this. So what is my dividend? My dividend goes inside. So I have my total is going on the inside. That's my dividend. So I have a total of 274 cupcakes. And I'm breaking them up into groups of 4. So my dividend, which is inside of my house, is 274 cupcakes. My divisor is what's on the outside of my house, and that's going to be 4 on each tray. How many cupcake trays will they need to bring all the cupcakes to the school? So now it's time for me to solve my equation. So here we go. So how many groups of 4 can I make out of 2? 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. And then I bring down my 7. How many groups of 4 can I get out of 27? I can get 6 groups of 4 out of 27. 4 times 6 equals 24. And then I subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 3 is less than 4, so I can bring down my 4, and I'm going to start all over. How many groups of 4 can I make out of 34? If you don't know that, then you can skip count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Oh, 36 is too much. I need to go back to where I had 8 fingers up, so that means that I can get 8 groups without going over this 34. So 8 times 4 equals 32. I'm going to put that underneath my 34. I'm going to subtract 34 minus 32 equals 2. 2 is smaller than 4, so I know, well, I don't have any more to bring down, so this 2 is going to be my remainder of 2. Now, this answer right here is telling me that I need 64 trays, or 68 trays, but I'm going to have a remainder of 2 left over. So that means that I can't leave these 2 out, so that means that I need to add 1 to my answer, and that's going to give me 69 trays. I need 69 trays to be able to bring all of the cupcakes to the school. Since I have this remainder here, I know that I have to add 1. So coming back up, did I round it by adding 1? Did I ignore it, or did I only focus on the remainder? In this example, I rounded. So you can highlight it, you can circle it, I don't really care what you do. But this one, I rounded. I rounded up because I needed to bring all of the cupcakes to school. Okay? So this is how you are going to solve the rest of them. Do not write your equation like I did. Do it on a separate sheet of paper and then paste it anywhere in the orange. I only did this because I can't share my screen and share document camera at the same time. Alrighty, you may begin.